So my name is Susan Cross, and I've been seeing Dr. Harris for a couple of weeks now. When I first came in, I couldn't even walk up and down the stairs with both my legs. Now I am able to come up and down the stairs with both legs. I'm able to sleep a lot better at night, and I've noticed that my sciatica is slowly getting better. My spine has really straightened up a lot compared to what it was. Those decompression beds, I believe, has saved me from getting an operation. And so has the electrodes. All of the workout, all of the workout that he gives me I do not have to have a back operation. And I am so happy. I feel like God has blessed me.
Nice.
My name is Lena Cox, and I've been coming to Dr. Harris off and on for about 4 years. The first time I came was because I was in an automobile accident and I was rear-ended, and my primary care physician would not see me because for fear that maybe there might be a lawsuit arising out of the accident and she would need to take time off from her practice to testify. I was referred to Dr. Harris. I had gone a week without any treatment, and at the end of every day was in so much pain in my neck area and horrible headaches that I was in tears. And after the first couple of visits, I had no more pain and continued to go to make sure that everything was okay and lined up again. Dr. Harris took x-rays to show me where everything was kind of out of alignment, and when I was done with my procedures, took another set of x-rays to show everything was lined back up again. And when I felt good, then I stopped my treatments. I have recently come back because I have got a back injury and I am training for an MS 150 ride, which is 180 miles from Houston to Austin, and my training has been difficult. So I went to my doctor again, had some x-rays done, brought those to Dr. Harris, where he discovered my spine is out of alignment and I have a slightly bulging disc, which he has been treated, and I've been here a few times now, and the pain that I was feeling that was going down my legs has stopped. The decompression treatments that I've been doing has helped a lot, and I don't really have the pain that I've been having. There would be times when I would sit down and I couldn't stand up straight when it came time to stand up. My primary care physician treats that with muscle relaxers and painkillers, but that does nothing for you if your spine is out of alignment or there are other problems. So I've been coming here, everything is getting so much better, and Dr. Harris promises that I will be in excellent shape by the time for my ride.
Hi, I'm Meredith Hollis. I've been coming to Dr. Harris now for about 3 or 4 weeks. I came to him with back problems and a great deal of pain. I have scoliosis and kyphosis, and I have an old injury in my neck from a car accident 40 years ago. And I have not been treated by a chiropractor before, and I want to tell you that I'm able to walk around the block for the first time, and I'm able to sit in a car seat, and I have flown on a plane very comfortably, and I can turn my neck all the way around, which I wasn't able to do before, and I'm standing up straighter, and I'm sleeping better, and sometimes I have to remind myself that I was in pain and I'm not anymore.
And in Colorado, what happened?
In Colorado, I had to move my daughter up 60 flights of stairs, carrying her clothes and boxes and things, and I was so apprehensive about that because I thought, I'm not going to do this, I'm going to give out. And I did it, and then the day after that, I walked up mountains and I walked the streets of Telluride up and down, and I thought, wow, I wasn't ever tired, and my back never hurt. I usually am in so much pain. All I want to do is lay down flat on the floor and just lay there. And so, yeah, I've been in pain for a very, very long time, and it's been a gradual thing, but I've noticed that it's going away.
Very nice. And would you comment about disc decompression?
The disc decompression, I thought at first wasn't doing anything, and then I realized what an effect it was having, because The mobility in my shoulders and my neck and was coming back, and the pain in my lower back was also going away, and especially my hip that was shooting down into my knee. That was another major complaint I came to Dr. Harris about, was my knee, and I just now realized my knee doesn't hurt anymore.
My name is Michael Welch. I've been doing chiropractor care for a while. I came in a few years ago and did a long-term treatment. A little apprehensive about maybe the benefits of the commitment for a long-term treatment plan. However, after I got done with the treatment plan, I was pain-free for a couple of years. Periodically, I do something with my kids or sports-related that gets my back a little out of shape, and come back in for a few adjustments to get back on track. I would recommend doing the long-term treatment. The benefits that you'll experience after that will change your life in terms of being pain-free.
I'm Eileen, and I've been a patient of Dr. Steve Harris for many years. Like most people of my generation, I was told going to a chiropractor would be useless, that they indeed were not doctors and I needed to go to a doctor. Thanks to a good friend of mine who was a patient from Dr. Harris, she insisted I go for my chronic back pain, and it was wonderful. Dr. Harris took care of me, took care of my continual pain, and I didn't need to take drugs, which would have been the alternative of going to a doctor. He has worked on me for many years when I have additional aches and pains, and he can work them out so I feel great. I highly recommend using chiropractic care to take care of what ails you.
Hello, my name is Abraham Garza. I started seeing Dr. Harris here perhaps maybe about a month or so ago. Came in for my back problems, and he recommended the decompression procedure that he offers to his patients, and I've now gone through it, and I will say that it appears that it definitely has made me feel better. And matter of fact, I made the statement to Dr. Harris that I hadn't felt this good in a very long time, and so certainly I would recommend this procedure if it does for you what it's done for me. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Tammy Schneider, and I came in to see Dr. Harris because I was having pain in my back. Pretty severe pain. I couldn't move or really turn very well to the left or the right. And he did the x-rays, and so he felt like he could probably help me with that. And so I've been going through treatments for about a month. And actually, I would say about halfway through, for the most part, the pain was gone. It would crop up every now and then here and there, but not consistent, which was a great improvement. So I loved that. But I would say overall, the thing I really liked the most and have just been so impressed with is the fact that I just overall feel so much better. I just feel kind of happier, healthier, and it's been a remarkable change. I really have no pain now at all in my back. Every now and then, maybe just some stiffness or whatever, but for the most part, there is no pain. And in the process, I decided to see if he could possibly help me with my knees as well. I've had problems with my knees, and after this was so successful for me, I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. So I'm real excited and anxious to see how that's going to turn out.
My name's Jim Fowle, and I have never been to a chiropractor in my life. And I came yesterday, and I was barely able to walk. And after the first treatment, I was walking perfect. I had very little pain. And today, I went out and mowed the yard, and usually I have about 4 episodes when I mow the yard. I had 0 episodes, and I'm walking perfect. And that's really the litmus test of yard. And then this weekend, we'll see, I'll climb that ladder to do the rest of those gutters.